The country is seeing a decline in allergy cases, but Jamaicans are being advised to continue to take the necessary precautions to avoid flare-ups, especially during this time of the year. Shamala Pullen tells us more in the health report.
Allergic rhinitis or nasal allergy is quite common in Jamaica, particularly during this time of the year. But for the past 2 years, medical doctors are reporting a 25% decline in cases. According to ear, nose, and throat specialist Dr. Martin Smith, this is as a result of COVID-19.
Now, one of the good things, if you can get any good things from COVID, is that because persons are wearing their masks more, we're seeing that some people who would normally have flares at this time of year are not actually getting their flares because they're practicing the rules that we discussed, wearing the mask and staying indoors. For some of them, they're indoors more than going outdoors. So we're finding that it's not as bad because of the mask wearing.
The condition is also common in children as it typically affects at least 25% of that population.
So nasal allergies in particular, and we'll focus on that a little bit, that refers to a reaction in which a person is exposed to a chemical substance that may be coming from plants, from insects, from other animals. These chemical substances get into the nose and trigger off a reaction that we're familiar with. The reactions include sneezing, itching of the nose, watery eyes, and a nasal discharge.
The condition can reduce the quality of life. For adults, it interferes with work, and for children, it usually affects their school life. The condition also affects sleep. So if you're having symptoms, seek medical treatment.
Allergic rhinitis is typically treated with antihistamines. These are medications like your Claritine, your Allegra, your Zyrtec, those kinds of medications. And of course the traditional ones like DPH and Histol.
Depending on the severity of the condition, medication like nasal sprays are recommended. With your health report, I'm Shamala Pullen wishing you good health.